What's up guys, your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. Today we got a 2023 Sierra Elevation and we're going to be doing a 10-year ceramic coating, but not just any ceramic coating. We're going to use System X Max G, their new System X Max coating, which is a 10-year ceramic coating, and we're going to get to apply it on this bad boy here. This vehicle is okay. We still have to do a 2-stage paint correction only because this is a GM black, so we're going to do the first stage in the cutting, and then the final stage of the refine, and then we're going to apply the ceramic coating. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you guys are interested in any of our detailing services or want more information about the type of services we offer, scroll down to the description below to find all our links to our social media platforms or our websites to find out more information about Cherry Auto Detailing. So let's get this started.
Welcome to our paint correction information session, where we dive into the art and science of restoring and enhancing the appearance of automotive painted surface. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a professional detailer, understanding paint correction is crucial for achieving that showroom finish. Paint correction is a meticulous process aimed at removing imperfections such as swirl marks, oxidation, scratches, and other defects from the vehicle's paintwork. This not only enhances the car's aesthetic, but also protects its resale value. Paint correction does not involve repainting a car. If you require painting due to rock chips, dents, or deep scratches, clear coat failure, please reach out to your local body shop. Avoid any confusion and ensure the right service for your needs. The first step in paint correction is washing the vehicle thoroughly to remove dirt and debris. Next, we use a clay bar to remove embedded contaminations, providing a smooth surface for the correction process and also exposing the true condition of your paintwork. Polishing is the heart of paint correction. Using specialized compound and pads, we carefully remove layers of clear coat to eliminate defects. It's a delicate balance between achieving optimal results and preserving the thickness of the clear coat. In simpler terms, our goal is not to strip away the clear coat, but to eliminate imperfections while preserving the integrity of your clear coat. The transformation is truly remarkable. The polishing stage not only corrects defects, but also enhances the depth and clarity of the paint, bringing out its true color and shine. After the correction process is finished, it's essential to safeguard the newly corrected paint. In the case of this vehicle, it will be treated with System X Max G+, the latest 10-year ceramic coating formulated by System X. This ceramic coating is truly impressive. It appears significantly thicker, enhances the richness of the black paint. The depth of color is incredible. I definitely give System X Max G a plus. I'm Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing, located in Guam. Find all our details in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Drive on with pride. And if you guys are interested in any of our auto detailing or ceramic coating services, please give us a call or send us an email. All our information is in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is Jeremy once again, and I'll see you guys on the next video.